In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Accessibility features. Then choose one-handed mode here. Use gray switcher next to it to activate it and follow all of those instructions. If you are using Trick's navigation, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen, and if you are using gesture, do exactly the same, just hold for a second. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on black area, and if you wish to change placement of your little screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way, and last but not least, to turn off one-handed mode, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!